In this video, we will show you how to change Gmail password. After you log in into your Gmail account, then you can click these profiles and select manage your Google account. After that, you can click security here. Just scroll down until you find the password. You can click the password here and type new password, for example. Okay, and you can confirm your new password. After that, you can click change the password. And that's very easy how you can change your password on Gmail. Maybe you also need some code that invoke into your phone. So make sure you have the phone number that linked into your Gmail account. And that's all tutorial how to change Gmail password. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.